3. Bullying. Education is a very important part of a child's life. And yet, an increasing number of children are showing reluctance to attend school. It is not that they find the work too difficult or are afraid of the teachers. No, it's because they are being bullied. School bullies can make other children's lives a misery, and their bullying takes different forms. Often, they will use their physical size to intimidate those who are smaller and weaker than themselves. They will threaten their victims with a beating if they don't do as they say, often using physical force to extort money, and will steal possessions from them by force. Bullies use verbal abuse as well as physical abuse on their victims. The butt of this abuse may often simply be slightly different in some way from the rest of the class. A child may have red hair, wear spectacles, not have the latest fashion in shoes, have only one parent, or be of a different race, for example. This can make them a target for the school bully, who will indulge in the most insulting name-calling. Some psychologists say that the desire of the class bully to dominate the others is a result of an inferiority complex or some personal unhappiness. But this does not help those who are on the receiving end of the abuse. So great is the bullying problem that many schools have been forced to draw up an official strategy for dealing with it. Teachers encourage the victims of bullying to report the matter to one of them, but many of them are afraid to do so for fear of more physical assault or more taunts. The bullies will accuse them of telling tales and make them suffer more. Furthermore, those who browbeat others, although domineering, can often appear to be charming to those who are in authority. Because it's so difficult to get victims to report bullies, and often difficult to prove coercion, many bullies escape unpunished. We must protect our children from this persecution. They have a right to enjoy their school days.